Good morning. You're tuned into channel 006 and I'm Mr. Denner. This morning's coffee is brought to you by the Dalai Lama. Yeah, Dalai Lama. I almost made a sheep call there, but I don't think that's what a llama does. I think they spit. But anyway, I just wanted to say good morning. I wanted to welcome you all to week 2 of our quarantine fun time. And as we move forward in the week, I want to think about how we can make art to make this a more enjoyable experience. Um, Thank you for all of the emails. I love seeing the work, and everybody's doing a really good job. Make sure you're keeping in touch with me. I want to keep in constant contact. I want updates. I want to know how you're doing. I want to see it through your work, but if you feel like you just need to talk and want to reach out, don't hesitate to do that as well. I'm available via email. We can Zoom conference. We can FaceTime. We can Google Hangout. And there's probably a bunch of other things that we could try too. I'm welcome to take any suggestions that you have out there. I want to encourage you to keep on keeping on, as Joe Dirt would say. I want you to challenge yourself to continue to be the best you can be. I want you to keep up with the work and understand that my expectation is that you're investing the time. And I understand you have limited resources, so we're just going to do the best we can. But make sure that when you walk away from it, you feel like it was the best you had at that time. We're all going to go through different things as we push through this experience. We're going to have our ups, we're going to have our downs. I find myself teetering between, is this real and is it fake? How do I feel about things in the morning versus things at the night? I feel like I'm in the middle of a Stephen King book that's being written as we live through it. So a lot of confusing things out there, but I just want you to know that there's people out there who care, and I'm one of them. I want to do whatever I can to help you through it. I want to help make your art experience, especially with drawing and painting, guide you through some challenging times, but also give you a chance to record what's happening on a daily basis. What are you thinking about? What are you feeling? Where's your mind that day? I also want you to have an opportunity to continue to have that break that you would have from your normal classes and really find the joy and the pleasure of getting into that creative zone as you work. Thanks for tuning in, and be on the lookout for more updates.